I'm Lisa Brickhouse with 99.1 The Sound, Dare to Care OBX, and a host of other things. And we are out here at Jennette's Pier in Nags Head, freezing for a reason. We are out here today in honor and also supporting our Dare County Special Olympic athletes. These are my most favorite peeps in the whole entire world. And today we are going to plunge into the mighty Atlantic. Right here in our awesome county, Dare County, we have had a personal challenge to county commissioners, to radio personalities, as well as to any community member that wants to hashtag Find Your Freeze. We are still taking donations. You can go to our Special Olympics Dare County Facebook page and find out more information. And I just want to thank everybody that has supported me and my crazy friends so that we can all hop into the mighty Atlantic together today and hashtag Find Our Freeze.